we glitter. The first sign of a chosen one is glow. We got glow point. Look how we shining. Beast mode activated. I'm killing it. Up in this killing it. And the masses attribute separatism to
bliss, man. Bliss. I am in a state of bliss right now. Bliss is hard to put in perspective. Bliss is like a euphoric. Euphoria is like a joy. Bliss is like
if you have an above average intellect. I apologize for the inconvenience.
When you
I don't want to sound
tranquility in your current state and current predicament, regardless of our circumstances. It doesn't matter how negative our circumstances are. We must learn to find or have gratitude for what we have. I can see, I can smell, I can taste, I can touch, I can play an instrument, I can read, I can write, I can educate myself, I can articulate, I can orchestrate kinesiology.